Hey there, welcome to Let's Dude. If you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed to it yet, then what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Also, check out our amazing courses on our website www.letsdude.com. The lockdown phase is still on and things have shifted to an online mode. We attend online classes, and for many of us, the exams are also happening through online mode. To help you adjust to this change, here we are with some useful tips to help you to prepare and appear for online exams. Without any further ado, let's move to the tips. Here are the things that you should do before the exam. Have some writing practice. In school, we have the habit to write down things in our book. Make notes, do homeworks and assignments, but after changing to this online mode, our writing practice has reduced drastically, and this can affect our speed while writing the exam. Even after knowing everything, we might end up leaving our paper incomplete just because of our speed. So it's better to get some practice before the exams. You may solve some problems, write down some important brief answers just for practice. We have already created a video that would help you to increase your writing speed, so do check that out. Plan for quick revision. On the day before the exam, ensure that you plan for a quick revision. This has to be quick in the sense that you just need to brush upon the concepts that you have already studied. If you are running short of time, it is advisable to not study anything new but just revise and ensure that you recollect everything that you studied. Set everything ready. Ensure that you have all the required materials with you for your online exam. You won't be able to move from your place and borrow something from someone. So keep everything needed such as pen, pencil, geometry box, ruler or any other stuff needed. For our regular exams, all these were enough, but for online exams, ensure that you charge your laptop, phone or tablet to the fullest and you have alternate internet backup in case of need. This is very important, don't forget your earphones too. Create that ambience. While appearing for exam in school, the classroom atmosphere gave us a feel of seriousness of the exam with zero distraction around, isn't it? Try your best to select quiet corner of the house or ensure that no one is around and there is total silence while appearing for the exams. This will ensure that you get complete concentration in giving the exam and there is no distraction around. Now during your exams, log in 15 minutes before the actual class so that there is no technical issue while logging in. Carefully listen to the instructions given by your teacher. Clear your doubts with respect to how to write the personal details, format of writing an answer, even the final submission of the paper as in whether it is an image or a PDF, how to share the same with the teachers, etc. Also confirm if you have to keep the hard copy of the paper safe for submitting it in the school. Keep the question paper shared in front of you and be very careful while writing the question numbers. Keep your handwriting legible and attempt the required questions. If you are not confident about a particular question, attempt it at the end. Don't get distracted and keep your focus only in recollecting, analysis and answering the questions. Now while taking images of the answer sheet for submission, make sure that the image is clear so that every line of the answer is readable. The image should not be blurred, so click it properly. Also ensure that your teacher has received the same. This is very important. Alright friends, with this we end our session. We hope these tips will help you while appearing for your online exams. If you liked our video, do give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning and all the best for your exams. Thank you.